data from a random sample on IQ intelligence quotients of students in a district is given below. Enter these on an Excel sheet. So some background information also is given. IQ is the last column. What are the background information for every student? A gender, faculty, income group. Gender M and F will be there. Faculty A, S, C will be there. Arts, science and commerce. Income group will be 3. High income, low income, middle income. H, L and M. And then IQ is given directly. So after that, these are the questions. What are the questions? Mean, median, mode of IQ. So there are functions available. Okay, I will show you once again. It is already shown for something else. Say mean, median, mode. I have prepared the format to save the time. Here what you have to do, insert average. So double click this one, that opens. And the range is this one. And close the bracket. Okay. Similarly, median function is that equal to median. That is the function, it has come. And give the range again. Close the bracket. Then mode function also is there. Last one. Range. So mean, median, mode are ready. 100.96 is the mean. Median is 97.5, mode is 120. Now what's the next question? Bar diagram of gender, pie diagram of faculty. See, I have explained in the previous exercise. So what you do, create a frequency table. Bar diagram for gender, gender male, female and frequency. How will you get it? You will get it through counting function. Similarly, for faculty, arts, commerce and science, corresponding frequencies, you can get it through counting function, and after that select each one and get your graphs. Now, 5 to 6 questions are this one. Multiple bar diagrams showing faculty as a main entity and gender as division. So here faculty is shown, gender also is shown. This sort of a frequency table you have to prepare. Like in the previous one, you have to select this one and prepare your multiple bar diagram. Now multiple bar diagram for faculty as main and gender as division. So component bar diagram. So same thing you can use. You can go for the component bar diagram. And again, percentage bar diagram also we can do it this way. Then the next question was pie diagram of income group. So the different income groups are there, can write the frequencies and get that. Then the next question is standard deviation and CV of IQ. Actually, CV, there is no function available. So what is required is first you calculate the mean. So where is the mean question? Yeah, here I have to do that mean. Mean is already calculated. So here standard deviation. stdev.s and the range I have to give. Okay. Now CV, there is no function available, so you have to use the formula. Does anyone remember what's the formula of CV? Yes, anybody? Nobody? Okay. That formula is standard deviation divided by mean into 100. So this is the standard deviation I am including. Divided means slash, and mean is there at the top, into 100. Okay, CV is done. And another question given is, calculate standard deviation without using function. So what was the formula of standard deviation? Standard deviation function, actually we calculate mean first, then xi minus x bar the whole square we calculate. Add them together, divided by n, we get the standard deviation. So here what I will do, I'll get the mean here. Average. Okay, that is done. Okay, 100 point this thing. So here I have to, for each xi, I have to subtract this mean and square them. So I have to write it like this, is equal to, within bracket, the first x1 value minus x bar value, close the bracket, raised to the power is this symbol, and that symbol is there above the sixth number key. Square and enter it. Now if I copy it down, one problem is there. Xi has to change, but x bar should not change. Have you understood or not? I'll just show. So if I am copying it like this. Now the second one, what is the formula? It is searching x bar here. That is wrong. For this one, say it is searching x bar here because we have moved down that much. Whereas xi is correctly picked. Xi is correctly picked here. So what you have to do, delete all these things. Go back to this and mean, you have to write it. Like F. Select that one, press F4 button. Okay, now we have to, I made mean absolute. Now let me copy it down. See, let us check whether it's correctly picking. See, this is the last xi is 84. Is it picking that? Yes, it is picking that. X bar is green. Where is that green thing? It is here. It's picking green. X bar. So it is correct. Okay. I have got this total. Now I have to get the total of this one. Sum. This is equal. Here what I have to do, just select this one. And I get the sum here. Okay. Now this value is sum of xi minus x bar the whole square. So what is standard deviation? Here what I have to do, I have to give the square root. Square root, there's a function SQRT of sigma xi minus x bar the whole square, this one. Okay, divided by, how many observations are there? 30. So 30 minus 1, 29. entered. So we get 13.71. See, by function also we got 13.71. By calculation also we got 13.71. And percentage of students above 100 in IQ. How do you calculate that? How many people are there above 100? I don't know whether you are able to read here. I will just increase the size. Okay, first we'll calculate the number of students above 100. So divided by total number of students into 100 will be the percentage. So how will you count the number of students above 100 is equal to count if arrange IQ I have copied here, so I can use this one. Okay, criteria. That's why we account if we were using one particular entry. Now here we want to count how many are above 100. So how will you give that criteria? Such criteria you have to give within double quotes. Please remember, double quotes greater than 100, close double quotes. Please remember, when you give such conditions, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, all within double quotes, close it, enter. So I have 14. So here percentage will be is equal to this 14 divided by total number of students. I think it is 30. Yes, it's 30. 30 into 100. So 46.66% people of the students have IQ above 100. So all the 10 questions are answered